Hello. Today we are going to create a data source in WebLogic console. So what we are planning to do as part of this step is to log in into WebLogic console. We create a data source with the following information and review the data source. As you see here, I am now into the WebLogic console. I'm trying to log in into the WebLogic console and have input my username and password. So as you see here, once I log in into the WebLogic console, you see this domain structure and you have deployments here. We have services. We'll come in the later section about the deployments, and then in the services we have something known as a data source. So here I click new generic data source, and the first thing I'm going to enter here is the name, which is Suva Learning, and I put I actually clicked on enter. So I have to enter the JDBC name here, which is so this JNDA name is very important. We will see what is the importance of this in the later lecture. So next, let us click on next, and here I again choose the default driver, which is the Oracle's driver thin for service connections, and I click on next. And here I specifically don't want this transaction to be as part of the distributed transactions, so I'm going to uncheck this and I'm going to click on next. And here we have got to define the database properties. So let me go ahead and define this. So I entered all these credentials here. These are the same credentials that you saw in the previous lecture of how we connected JDeveloper to the database. So I'm clicking on next, and I click on test configuration. So as you see here, the connection is succeeded, and I'm going to click on finish. So as you see here, we get a confirmation message that all changes have been activated, no restarts are necessary. And if I go here and click on the next, I'll be able to see my new data source that I have created with this JNDI name. So in the next lecture, we are going to see what are the how do we use this JNDI and create an DB adapter connection in the DB adapter deployment. So we will see. I'll see you there in the next lecture. Thank you.